Say when, dude.
When?
Tag team, back again.
Check and directed, let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear some noise. DC's in the house, jump, jump, rejoice. There's a party over here, a party over there. Move your hands in there, shake your dare, yeah. These 3 words when you're getting busy. Whoop, there it is. What you say?
Whoop, there it is.
Get directed, let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear some noise. DC's in the house, jump, jump, rejoice. Everybody, party over there, wave your hands in the air, shake the dairy, yeah. These 3 words mean you're getting busy. Whoa, there it is, Hitman.
Really good idea. Upside down and inside out. I'm about to show all you folks what it's all about. Now it's time for it to get on the mic and make this motherfucking party hype. I'm taking it back to the old school, cause I'm an old fool who's so cool. If you wanna get down, I'ma show you the way. There it is, let me hear you say. Yeah. Point blank, gin and juice I drinking, bent and bent as I puff on dank. Rock the mic, I crave skin rip shit. Find a honey dip to dip it in, slam dunk it, stick it, flip it and ride that B-double-O-T-Y, oh my. Ooh, that's it, come on, whoop, there it is, I'm done. Push it, yeah, there you go. Shotgun. How'd that feel?
I'm hot as all hell.
What?
The underground sound that you have found amazing, outstanding, demanding, commanding you people dancing.
Yes.
That's a breath taker. I produce, aka the Undertaker. You wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel. Can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
Oh God.
Can you dig it?
Beer in my fridge, isn't there?
No. Okay, so we have LA Guns, Judas Priest, Aerosmith, and Avril Lavigne, right there in the center.
Mine.
Right there in the center.
My sister, she left it here when she moved out.
Wait, you got a Hoobastank album too.
That's my sister's too.